Here's interesting app. It's called 1 second every day, 1 second per day app, everyday diary. It climbed into the top charts recently. And yes, the idea of this app is quite simple. This app was, as an app back from like 2015, 13, I guess. Start recording today. Your future self will thank you. 1 second is a home for all your memories, not just the Insta worthy ones. Get started today with Smart Feel and create meaningful moment of your life right away. So yeah, for some people write that like for over 10 years I've been recording 1 second every day, so I'll never forget another day ever again. This project had such positive impact on my day-to-day life. After a few months that I dedicated to my life to making a mobile app which would make it easy to everyone to do this. So yeah, then you can just provide treasured perspective, and then you can create a 1 hour movie from all of these projects. So yeah, pretty cool. Just create your life movie, trusted by millions, quick and easy, smart feel. Uh, and then yeah, you can just add some content from your photos. So here, for example, you can just anyway, I don't know how long is that. You can just add it like this, and then you just save it, and that's your journal. And then you can just record it the next day and the next day, and add a new project. If you want a more project, you will need to upgrade to Pro. So 7-day free trial and then $50 per year. That's what you will need. So yeah, kind of pretty cool. And then if you just recording it, you can then just create a movie at some point, either end of the year or then you can see all these tricks you have. So yeah, then you have your account, sign out. So just also make sure to backup here. I don't know, like there are some backup settings where you can just set it up, and then to have unlimited backup, it's additional price like $5 per month for $50 per month. So you need to keep that in mind. So yeah, and then if you're not happy, you can go to more settings, and then I guess you can just delete account here in the bottom. So give a try to this app, pretty cool idea.